Many people think that you need a lot of space to grow vegetables, but I'm here to tell you that is simply not true. For instance, leeks, you can grow them in a small container and they don't take up much space, whether or not you're in an apartment or an efficiency. You can grow them on your balcony. You can grow them, as I said, in little small containers. And I'm going to show you how we do that today. Let's get started. If you remember a couple weeks ago, maybe a little bit longer, I planted some leek seeds, some all-American leek seeds, in two of my grow beds out in the garden. And unfortunately, they did not come up. And I went ahead and planted squash in them instead. So what I did was start more leeks inside the greenhouse. And here they are. Now we're going to go ahead and plant these outside in the what was former tomato row. We have two containers that are open, and we're going to plant 5 in each. So in this container, if you have been following me since the summer, you will recognize this was the watermelon container. And sadly enough, we didn't get any watermelons, but it was fun trying. We're going to use this container to plant 5 leeks in. I went ahead and amended the soil already. And all I'm going to do is pull the plugs out. And as you can see, I have a nice plug, nice roots. We're going to pull them out and place them in the container. And we're going to plant them the depth of the root ball itself. So what we're going to do is just to take my hand, we're going to go down into the soil like that. We're going to take some of my fertilizer mixture. This has a general purpose tomato fertilizer, blood meal, and bone meal in. And we're going to drop some into the hole. I'm going to mix it in. And we're going to drop in one of the leeks. And just like that, we have one in. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to put one here. And we'll put one here. And then one there. So I'm planting them in a circle. And we're going to put the drip emitter in the middle of the circle. And we've placed the emitter in this circle, in the middle of the circle, and we have all 5 planted in. Now I'm going to get some of my cedar chips and put in here and use that as a mulch, and then we'll move on to the next one. And just like that, we have 5 planted, and we're going to move over to the next container and put the other 5 in. So we're here at the second container. This container held the last tomato plant that we removed this morning. And just like with the first container, we went ahead and amended and added more soil. And we're going to plant these in a circle as well and put the emitter in the middle. So first I'm just going to make my circles, add the fertilizer in. Okay, now get down to planting, pop one out, and again, nice roots. We're gonna pop it in, make it soil level, backfill, press down, and just like that, we have one in. Just like that, we have 5 in. Put the label on this side. Put mulch in. And put our drip emitter in. And just like that, we're done. So this is a mixture of water and a couple drops of the AgroThrive that I mentioned. And we're just going to give them a thorough watering. And we'll go down to the other container and do the same. So I want to thank you for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed the video, you got something out of it, and you learned something. The ideal that you need a big pot or a lot of land, a lot of room space to grow vegetables is a fallacy. You can grow the leeks in a container as small as 6 to 8 inches in depth. You really don't need anything very big. And I would suggest that everyone, I'm a big proponent of everyone being able to grow their own food. Um, it's cheaper in the long run, and you don't ever get over the feeling of growing your own food and knowing how it's being grown, what's in it, and how it's being processed. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and veggies by myself, but one thing I can't do is grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.